Hey everyone, it's Gretchen here with Catnpaws. So I'm doing a burn and melt for the last half of January and then all of February. I haven't really been burning much or melting much here and there. So I just figured I'd go ahead and do like, 6 weeks worth. I want to stick kind of to a peppermint theme because I always find these go bad after a while and they start to really smell like propane. And it's like I can already tell. So this is definitely going into the mix. It is a 2017 pour. I'm almost tempted as well to do one of these, the hot cocoa and cream, because I love it. But let me show you what's in here too. This is some wax. My mother-in-law got me that for my birthday. And I have these I picked up at Bass Pro Shop. I haven't done either one. I think that would be a nice January cold scent. So I might do a couple cubes of that. So happy birthday. My birthday was back in the fall. So I have two of these. I have one downstairs. I hate to use them though right now because it's like once they're gone I'll have to wait forever to do another, to get more. See, that hoarding tendency comes out in me. So, I'm going to say no. I'll wait. Okay, that was upstairs. I came down, I grabbed my big box out of the closet. And I have a lot of stuff in here. I will say this, I grabbed this out of there. And this is the front porch. Cotton candy cane. Again, the peppermint. So I figured I'll do mints like going through this next half of the month. And then kind of go into a sweet, sugary February. Chocolate knows best kind of theme, I guess. Those, I don't think I'm going to melt anything out of it. Oh, I still have that. I can't bring myself to melting it yet because it smells so funky. And Christmas hearth. I forgot. This is the whole problem. I gotta work through this stuff, and I keep accumulating wax like it's nobody's business. Oh, I went to Bath and Body Works and Yankee Candles SAS sale. Those will be up this week, and I might grab a couple of things from that because I got just one melt. The apple one from Bath and Body Works, but they had a bunch, but none that really, said, "Oh, try me." A lot of these are fall here, but look right there. How about this one, chocolate mint scone? Doesn't that scream, oh, February? It's going in the mix. So before I get further into that, let me show you what I have. Still, so I pulled that out. This is from Vintage Chic Scents. And I'm trying to work through it. You can see I only have 4 chunks left. And it will free up some space. I've had this in my burn and melt now for a quarter, 3 to 4 months. I pulled these out, vanilla cream. I'm going to get through those. And you just stick them in your wax melter and they don't melt, but they put out a fragrance. And I have some empty milk cups, as well as a couple of Lotus and pumpkin spice. And I think I'll leave them there because every now and then I just get in the mood for something else, and so I'll just leave it there instead of try to put it back away. So that's what I got going on so far. And then I grabbed that chocolate mint scone and this one. And I'm also going to finally try one of these Harry Slatkin candles I got. This is in the banana maple pancake. So it smells really good. I figure it'll go well with that. What is it? Swan Creek? Yeah. Drizzle Melt. I think that'll be a nice scent to have together going into like late January, early February. That's 2 candles so far. I've been really taking my time burning through candles. you know, sometimes it's a chore to go through and trim the wicks down and light it up, and it's like, well, you know, I don't know. I think it's just the winter blahs do it to me. That is our plug-in from Bath and Body Works. I want to try to dig through here to get to some, whoa, oh, I caught that, I caught it. It almost went over. To iced gingerbread, Yankee milk cups. I'm trying to read at the same time, but I shouldn't be doing that. I'll raise you up a little higher so you can see in it. Oh, that's fall. Oh, there's a chocolate chip cookie and a Daylight by Country Candle. Maybe I'll throw that in there. That'll be good with all that bakery stuff going on. It's almost not becoming a chocolate month, it's becoming a bakery month. And here I have some candy cane lane and some iced gingerbread. I think I'll grab one of those each. I think some cranberry, apple pumpkin. I don't know why I thought I had more iced gingerbread, but I don't think I do. Let me try to move some of the smaller stuff in there so it's out of the way and it makes up room. Oh, I got my polypropylene bags there. I got those from Front Porch. And those are yeah, just scent plugs, empty plastic ones. They're so bulky that I don't have anywhere else to store them. Oh yeah, this is the one that I got from, oh goodness, Red Leaves Falling. She had an Instagram giveaway. So, you guys see anything else in there? I have my box here that I can look through. But I don't think I have much else in the, I'm really looking for. Some of that stuff out of the way. Pumpkin spice latte. Home Sweet Home. I think that's the, sorry guys, I keep up with the camera. Yeah, that's more of a cinnamon smell. Raw spice. Wow, I really went for spiciness, and so I know I have more other stuff to look through, so I'll put this all back away and we'll move over to my basket. So I have plenty of tea lights, but I put some clamshells in here. Oh, just the pine one. But I have a box of tea lights already out and I have the box. So let me grab another one of these salted caramel grams. A couple weeks back I did a video where I got a whole sleeve of these on clearance at Walmart for $1 a piece. And I put them over here. So I kind of rearranged things. These are Bonjour, part of her advent calendar. And I just didn't get through all of them. But I thought there was a bakery one in here. That's pear, maple, and vanilla cream. Oh, that one's good. Yeah, I probably should use it up. That's the Woodwick biscotti. I got it Tuesday morning on clearance. Yeah, this kind of all scream not melt me in February. So, let's see what else I have. I did really good at getting that down. And now I've set it all back up. And down here on the bottom, I've done the same thing. Still have some vintage scents. Some of those no melt wax. Santa sugar cookies. I don't think it will matter, so I might put that in the mix. And then a bunch of these clamshells in the salted caramel grams. Bunches of like a piece at Walmart, which I know I just said that, but it's worth it if that's your kind of thing. There's a lot of different kind of wax. They actually had some of that moonlit pumpkin that everybody was buying back in the fall for $1, but it's just not my scent. So we'll grab those. Now I'm at my bookcase, and let's see what is in here that I can throw into the mix. So I got 2 candles so far. I just kind of like eye everything up first and say, okay, what do I want to go through? What is that bottom one? Swirled pumpkin. Chocolate bunnies. Spiced pear. Our fresh baked cookie, maybe. That would be good, I think, for February. We'll put that in because that's another one. You see, I got it at Ollie's. But I think it originally came from Kmart. It did. I have no idea what year it is. And I don't want to lose wax. I mean, it costs a lot of money, so. Is that a candy cane back there? It is. Let me smell it. It smells okay. It is a I think 2016, 2015, 2016. Pour date. I might want to put that in. And then farm stand apple. Oh, I have a, look at that. Can you see it? Hot cocoa and cream from Bath and Body Works. Ooh, I did not know I had that. Nice. Look at that cotton candy. It's like I'll never, until they come out with something similar, I just won't be able to burn it. I wish they would have just kept coming out with them. Let's check over here. So I got these 2. That's 4 candles now. And a feather. Maybe over here. And have that bunny cake. But that's more like springy. We're nowhere near spring yet. I actually have more tea lights back there. Back in there. I have to move everything to get them though. I have another bunny cake in there, my bunny feet. I have a 2 of those plastic packs of wax. That looks like margarita time that's turning. I'm going to have to dig in there one day and pull all that out. It's like you hide it on yourself. And that's what I've done. I didn't hide it, but it's just work to, it's just, you walk by and say, oh, let me go dig that out. Nah. You're like, I got other stuff hanging elsewhere, I'll just grab it. I'm looking around. Okay, let's go see what we got. Okay, let's see what we got. I'm thinking of a really awesome name for January, February. Let's call it Bakery Knows Best. So I think I ended up getting a lot of bakery notes for the month of February. I also have to give a huge shout out to Taylor. She left a comment on my channel saying, where is your melt and burn? So here you go, Taylor. I have not been burning much. I have only gotten through one thing, and that is a clamshell of that. and I finished up a candy cane lane from, I think, December, and it sooded so bad, but I got through it, and it was like, oh my gosh, why did it have to soot so bad? It was a 2-week tumbler too. So I'm gonna take the plunge and burn my Harry Slatkin banana maple pancake, and it is 3-wick. Beautiful candle. It smells great, but it's so expensive. That's my holdback. So I only have 2 of them, so I guess I'm just like, oh, but now is the time to do it while I'm stuck in the house. Yankee Candle, North Pole. This is in the large 1-wick apothecary jar, and it has that peppermint with a hint of vanilla. And then the companion candle, I'll burn that, will be the Candy Cane Lane, the small or medium apothecary jar, 1-wick, and that's peppermint. And then this one you can see I got from Ollie's, but it originally came from Kmart. Fresh baked cookies. I smelled this before I started the video, and it smells still so good. It's actually taken more of a chocolate scent on, almost like the cocoa and cream, but we'll see how performance goes and how it does. So those are the candles, with the exception of a daylight in there. Milk cup, companion to the mint, is Candy Cane Lane. And then iced gingerbread, love the scent, milk cup as well. And I think that'll go well with the bakery. I removed the sticker so you could see the scent. So it says the aroma of sweet toasted cookie dough with rich vanilla icing, and I really like this. I actually got one of these for my birthday a couple years ago, and then I found this one on clearance at Tuesday morning and grabbed it. This will be my first time melting Swan Creek. You can see there I did get it at Bass Pro Shop, and I hope it performs well. I can smell it. It's really strong. It's very pretty. Wow, it's strong. So we'll see how it performs. These front porch cotton candy cane, and I'll either put them in my tea light or I will put them in my centerpiece cup when I have a couple empty ones in here. This from Vintage Chic Scents, just trying to use up the rest of the loaf. I have 4 chunks left. You know what? I melted this with, where do I put, I melted this with that, and it smelled like cinnamon buns. Hold on, Fluff. And then a clamshell of the salted caramel grams for your homes and gardens. These no melt wax diffuser spheres, vanilla cream. These came from Michael's, and they don't melt. You just put them in your tea light, and then when the fragrance evaporates, you're done. Lasting scent candles, chocolate mint scone. Her wax is a soy wax, so it's very soft, and this smells very chocolatey with a mint. I guess it would be more like the Andes candies, is that what they're called? It smells more like that versus a peppermint patty, more chocolatey than minty. Bed Bath & Beyond Santa sugar cookies. I'm thinking just a nice sweet bakery scent to blend with all the other bakery. I have not tried that one either. That will be a first. Country Candle in the chocolate chip cookie. This is a daylight candle. And some tea lights in red velvet. I have just a couple tea lights in this place. Pumpkin left, so they're in there to use up. And then if I get tired of everything else, I have a couple Votos in spiced pumpkin to use. And the only thing left are a couple of empty wax melting cups. So that's it. That is my Bakery Knows Best Burn and Melt from now until the end of February. All right, hope everyone's having a great day. Thanks for watching and take it easy. Bye.